Right, so we're here today at dry dock, and it isn't very dry, as you can see. It's what they call it. It's flooded overnight apparently, and it's come through gates. So they're working frantically to try and get it so that I can make a start on it. So they've got pump running, and they're pumping it all out at canal, all into canal. So by the time I've got set up, hopefully this will be drained enough to start. But that's what we've got to do today. That's the sort of stuff we're going to be cleaning off today, taking it back to bare metal. We're going up to this line here. Oh no, yeah, that line. Going up to that line from that base plate to that line. We're going to go under here as well. I don't know if I'll be able to do any filming under here, but there we go. Not all steel's created the same. That's got mill scale in steel, that's hardly got any on it, and that's got none on it at all. It's when it's rolled. When it's rolled it cools quicker, and that's what causes it to mill scale up. Well, that's how far we're into it at the minute. Yeah, let's see if we can get a time lapse.
This bit here I just noticed that something's not going quite right, and what it is, it's temperature at machine, it's too hot, and that's why it's spitting condensation down line, and it does cut out.
Hey, you just had something in repairs. Sandblaster just snapped on compressor, so it took it down. So I've got to there, but it just nipped out and got me a new one. I've just fitted it. So, don't look that mucky now, but yeah, I just got it covered in crap while I've just been fixing it. But yeah, let's get back at this. Right, that's it done. That's my bit anyway. Yeah, this is your mill scale. That's what's in steel when it's made, or when it cools down. I don't know how it's. I don't know how it comes about, but that's still steel. That. So yeah, I've knocked it back to bare metal. That's my bit anyway, because what we tried doing is keying it up for paint. This camera never does any justice anyway, never does me any favours. I don't know what that is. First thing I've seen on them. Must have done 100 boats, and that's first thing I've seen. A lot of crap knocked off it anyway. That, like brand new. Yeah, when you blast it, really, let's have a look on here. See if there's any pressure. It's not too bad, this boat, to be fair. It's not too bad at all. Usually people just... No, that's bad, just bad welding, that. Maybe a bit of that, yeah. It's not too bad, to be fair. It's bad prep work, and that's what shows, but when you blast it, it's back to flat metal. You could spend some time on sanding them flat, grinding them flat, make them welds look a little bit smarter. But Does it really need it? Oh, that were a rusty little bit, it's gone. Catch you on next then.